So this next step of my dragon eye, adding color, is going to be to color the eye part. Now, in order to get to this step, I want you to be completely finished coloring in the scales, which we talked about in the previous step. I'm gonna pretend like I am finished with that just so that I can show you what to do next with the eye. So what you're going to do is you're gonna choose a dark color for the inside pupil and these two parts of the eyelid here. So that could be a dark purple, that could be a dark blue, that could be black, a dark gray. Something that is going to be darker for these parts is what is going to make this look like an eye. So I'm going to start with a purple, and what I'm gonna do is color, and I'm also going to leave some white spots as the reflection. So do you see how I just colored around that spot? I didn't draw it in first because I don't want it to be an exact shape. So if you add these bright spots, it's going to make the eye look like it has reflections and really look like it's looking back at you. So I'm gonna add those little reflection spots and color the inside purple. I'm leaving these two iris parts white, and then I'm going to color these other eyelid parts purple as well. Then I'm going to start thinking about, what do I want the inside color of my eye to be? I want this eye to stand out. So I'm going to think about how I'm coloring the scales, or how I did color the scales. And if I used more blues and greens, then I want to choose brighter, warmer colors that we've talked about in kindergarten, first grade, second grade, third grade, some in fourth grade. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to be doing more blue greens. So I am going to be using sort of a yellow orange for this inside to really make it stand out. So I'm going to start coloring with the yellow first. Sort of picked up some of the blue that I was using for my outline, which is okay. This happens sometimes when we're coloring, and sometimes it's a happy accident when that happens. And color the yellow first, and then I'm going to go over that to make it a tertiary color, yellow orange, and that will make it really stand out. So adding orange over top really makes this eye a bright color and really stand out. So I'm going to go ahead and do that same thing to the other side. Again, I'm picking up a little bit of my outline, but it's okay. And then I am going to color in so I see a little bit of my outline in there, but mostly we're working with yellow orange for the inside of that eye.